Okay, so I've installed a Canon ImageRunner driver onto a Windows server and I've shared it as Uniflow input queue. Let's just quickly pause the queue so we can see the jobs coming in. Now going over to the Mac, we need to install an equivalent driver on the Mac. I've downloaded this one. Need to quickly run the installer. Okay, now we jump into System Preferences and we can install the printer. So we go to Print and Fax. No printers on this machine, we'll add one. We click Windows and now we can browse the domain, which is test. We can see the server that I installed driver on. Now it wants domain credentials. So I type in the domain name followed by the account name and enter the password. I ask it to remember the password so I don't need to keep entering it every time I want to print. And there we can see the Uniflow input queue. So I select the printer driver I want to use. I'll just search for it. There it is. Click add and then I can add the options if I want to. Same way as you can with any other printer driver. Okay, so that's the driver installed. All that remains now is to just test it. So let's run text edit. Create a document. Now we'll print it. There's my Uniflow queue. I can set the copies, everything, yeah, usual stuff. Click print. Okay, the printer should have the job and it will remain in a paused state because I paused the queue on the Windows server. So let's flick over to the Windows server and we can see there's my job and it's taken my domain username as I expect.